Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Mommy,
Yes,
can I go with you?
No.
you are going with me. We're actually gonna go as a family.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
Audrina, vamos.
Mama,
What is she doing?
I don't know.
Okay.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, baby. So where are we going?
To Target. I can't wait to go at Target. Because next week you said you can't get me toys for later.
I'm not getting you toys yet. Nice try. You just got toys yesterday. What you talking about, Willie?
Maybe for later.
No, maybe for next week, like I said. Do these or should I do the other ones? Where are the other ones at? Okay. What you guys think? Maybe Gia can help too.
Hi.
These? Okay. Trying to show off your shirt. Period. Or these. Ooh, I kind of like these. Yeah, let's do these. All right. Just waiting for hubby. It should be quick. You don't got no interruptions. I'll be having to get ready with the kids and all. All right, guys. Keep watching. I'll see you guys at Target. Bye.
Record myself.
Hmm?
Can we record myself?
Record yourself.
Yeah. I just smell poop here.
I don't know.
Can I see that? Can I only see?
Yeah. Let's see, because I wanted to see the jewelry. Guys, I really like the glasses from Target. Excuse me. Oh, these are cute. These are real cute. Try them on. Oh, wow. That's so cute. Yeah. Got lots of options here. All right, guys. This brand, don't sleep on it. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't sleep on it because this mascara specifically, amazing. I've purchased about 10 already in my life since I found out about this brand. But today I want to try the blush because I've heard good stuff about the blush. Actually, I do have the pink blush and I do love it. It's like a baked blush, so it has like shine to it. Let's see, what color do I want? This one's pretty, but I kind of want something maybe peachy. Do I have this one? I don't know if I have this one. Let's see, this is Rosy Rosewood. Something tells me this is the one that I have. Okay, I definitely don't have this bright one. Bold Heart. We're gonna try this one. Hold on, let me put it in the cart. No, because you're gonna break it. Okay, I kind of want to try something else. I don't know if I should do one of these glosses. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I'm gonna take this one, honestly. This is the Plumping Lip Filler with cinnamon oil, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E, period. Okay, I also like to hit e.l.f. It's one of my favorite also at the drugstore. I just want to see what is new, what is good. Okay. Guys, I already got one of the liquid blushes, bomb. I've tried the brow lift, love it. I've tried almost all these brushes, love them. The only thing I'm not too fond of is like a lip stain that they have. Yeah, they're down here. Not a fan of. These I like as well. Okay, maybe I shouldn't. Still gotta get a couple other things. You doing good? Got a little tripod. So it's really awkward to hold. wash as well. We need to the Disney area.
Thank you, Mommy.
We'll do a little shortcut this way. I am back from Target.
Ow.
Now we made a stop at Publix. My husband got down with my son to get a couple things. But yeah, you guys, I was so mad because, guys, I was online forever for 4 little items, okay? But I ended up getting this. It's Cousins and Clutch. If you know, you know. Try it. Don't sleep on it. And I also get it in the liquid form for the kids. And then just exactly what I showed you guys. This is what I got, and I can't wait to try them. And that's it, guys. So when I try that, hopefully I add it to the vlog. I get to play with makeup or something. But yeah, so we're at Publix. I'm just waiting for my husband. After Publix, we're gonna go to Home Depot. I'm not gonna vlog that because I don't usually get down at Home Depot. But excuse me.
On my foot.
I don't usually go to Home Depot because that's like a guy thing. Unless I'm looking for something specifically for the house, you will not catch me at Home Depot. Alright guys, here I'm seasoning my pollo guisado. I'm adding a little bit of thyme, oregano, paprika. Then this is a little bit of salt to taste. Then you're gonna add some Maggi. That's my secret ingredient. We add that to everything. A little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic. And yeah, guys, season with your heart, okay? It's me mixing the chicken, making sure all the flavors are merged in. After I'm done cooking, and then we're gonna sit and eat with the family, then I'm gonna go and get the kids ready for bed because we've been doing so bad this whole winter break and not putting them in bed by 8. If you know, mom life, the ghetto, truly the ghetto. So I'm gonna put the kids in bed, and then I'm gonna try to vlog me putting away the decor and then cleaning up. So yeah, guys, keep watching. product. I'll show you guys my Fansly. Wow. Okay, guys. My son already had a grilled cheese because he's picky as hell. The baby also ate, right? We gave her banana, blueberries. Plus she gets booby milk still. Hold on, let me put this light on. I'm trying to have good lighting. There we go, period. Alright, bon appetit. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna enjoy this homemade meal. It's been a minute. So, buen provecho. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. Okay. It's the next day. After we had dinner yesterday, I did not get to put the decor away. So we're gonna do that today. Okay, bye. Anyways, guys, it's real rough. Okay, no, I'm doing good though. I'm not gonna hold you. Good morning. I was on live all morning showing the followers on TikTok. Mom life. A real mom life. I woke up, I made the kids breakfast. I spoke to the girls. I engaged in the chat for a little bit on TikTok. Trying to stay consistent, consistency is key. So we must stay consistent. And then all I've had is a coffee today. But my husband is about to come home for lunch and we have leftovers. The only thing I have to do is make more rice. So we're about to do that. I don't want to show you guys because I just showed you guys yesterday making rice, so I'm not about to do that again. But yeah, just keep watching.